For this project, we will be repairing the sword on a Prime 1, Arkham Knight Flashpoint statue. The client has asked to make the arm and sword one solid piece, using some acetone to weaken the epoxy that was previously used to repair the hilt. A metal rod will be inserted into the hilt and sword. Marking the center of the hilt to drill a deep hole. Start the hole with a pin vise and then a drill later. Taking steps with larger drill sizes for the metal rod insertion. Now to cut the rod down to the needed size. One more check for alignment to the hilt. The fit looks good, time to work on the hilt rebuild. We will use epoxy sculpt to rebuild the hilt. And BSI, IC gel glue for the rod. Wet sanding the hilt to shape it and smooth it. The sword guard was repainted with gold. The hilt was blended in with a mix of red, and black for the lines. Now the repair is done. Thank you for watching.